Today I'm going to give you a very interesting topic. It's nothing but integers. Integers. What are called integers? Why we need it? How we are going to handle the integers? Handling means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So today we are going to learn how to add and subtract the integers with the help of some rules. Integers, positive number, negative numbers, 0 together is called integer. Are we going to use negative numbers in our life? Yes. With or without knowing, we are using the integers every time in all the places. I'll give you a best example. In a business, we are having two important words. What are they? Profit and loss. Whenever we are saying a word profit, the opposite word we used to have loss. So when we are giving the number in a profit, we used to have positive number, profit 500 plus 500 rupees, loss 200 minus 200 rupees. So wherever we are handling one word, there is the opposite word also. So profit, loss, day, night, save, expenditure, above, below. So for all these cases, we are going to use plus and minus sign. Integers is represented by the letter I. So what are the numbers we are going to write? Positive number, negative number, 0. First we have to write the negative numbers. They are always smaller. So I am going to start from etc. because uncountable negative numbers we can write. I am not going to mention everything. So etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So they are all negative numbers before the 0 and after 0, right side of 0, positive numbers we have to write it. If you want, we can mention plus sign or just leave it. Always they are considered as positive. If there is no symbol, they are always considered as positive numbers. So I is equal to etc. minus 3, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. They are called integers. Now simplification. Simplification on integers. When we are having two integers, it may be positive or negative, or more than two integers, sometimes 7 integers, 10 integers, 25 integers. How many is not a matter. When we are having two or more than two integers, how we are going to simplify it? It may be addition or subtraction. Okay, so the first one I am going to write the example, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 3. So we are going to simplify. What is the answer for this? What we are going to do? So there are three integers. All the three integers are negative. How? Just to give the word here for minus loss. Loss 2, loss 5, loss 3. So it means totally together 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Last 10 you will be getting. Loss is nothing but minus. Minus 10 you will have a answer. Last 2, last 5, last 3. So minus 10, last 10. So for all the time I cannot give the word loss or profit and whatever it is. So what are the rule we are going to have? So rule number 1, same sign of integers. Add and put the same sign. Add and put the same sign. See, in this example we are having minus 2, minus 5, minus 3. All the integers are having negative sign. All are same type of integers. So that I am going to take this numbers alone. That means 2, 5, 3. So the addition value is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So after adding these numbers, I am going to give you the same sign which is allotted here. So minus 2, minus 5, minus 3. So the answer will take minus 10. This is the first example. And the next example, minus 1, minus 6. How we are going to simplify this? Minus 1 and minus 6. Again, we are having the same sign. So when we are having the same sign, no need to bother about the sign. Just take the numbers alone. 1 and 6. Add it. Same sign, add. So addition over. So we got the answer 7. And put the same sign. What's the sign they have allotted here? Minus, minus. So the same sign we can give. This is another example. That's all the answer. And the next example. Minus 5, minus 0. So the same answer, what we have to do? The same sign, 5 and 0 I am going to add. So what about the answer? 5. What the same sign I am going to give? Minus. And more than that, when we are adding or subtracting 0 from any number, subtraction of 0 from any number, or addition, one number plus 0, we will be getting the same number. So the same number with the same sign. So this is a rule to add. First rule is same sign, add and put the same sign. Next, second rule. Rule number 2. When we are having different sign, what we have to do? When we are having different sign, just to subtract the numbers as natural numbers. Just ignore the sign. Subtract and put greater number sign. Greater number sign. For example, 7 minus 20. This is the first example. How I am saying that they are having different sign? See the first integer, there is no sign. If there is no sign, it is positive integer. Here minus 20. So one positive integer and then one negative integer. So we are having two different type of integers, positive and negative, both positive and negative. So if we are having different sign, take the numbers as natural numbers, ignore the signs. So 20 and 7, subtract it. So when we are subtracting, what is the answer you will be getting here? Now 13 is the answer. Now 13, subtract and put the greater number sign. Which is greater number here? 20 or 7? Yes, of course 20 is greater. So what is the sign allotted here? Sign allotted for 20 is negative. So give negative sign for this answer. So plus 7 minus 20, answer is minus 13. The next example, minus 5 plus 2. Here again I am having two different integers. One is positive and the next one is negative. So when we are having different sign, subtract the integer. Just ignore the sign, subtract both the numbers. So when we are subtracting, we will be having the answer 3. So we got the answer 3. Now after subtraction, put the greater number sign. So which is greater number here, 5 or 2? Yes, 5 is greater. Greater number sign is minus 3. Okay, the next example. With the 0, I am going to give you one example. 0 minus 3. When we are having 0 and minus 3, answer is same minus 3. Because again, if you want, you can take here positive 0, or if you want, you can take here negative 0. Whatever sign if you want to give, you can allot it. So it will take nothing. So there is no change in the answer. So just leave the 0 and minus, or if you want to apply the rule, we can use it. 3 and 0, different sign, subtracted, you will be having the answer 3. Greater number, 3 is greater. Greater number sign is negative. So minus 3 is the answer. See, I have written one question, minus 2 minus bracket minus 5. So the previously what we have done, there were no brackets. Simply we had some integers. We have applied directly rules, same sign, add and put same sign, different sign, subtract and put greater number sign. But here we are having some integers, and some integers are also inside the bracket. So when we are seeing the bracket, immediately we have to remove the bracket. How we are going to remove? So to remove the brackets, we are having some rules. Multiplication on signs. So bracket is nothing but a multiplication. We have to multiply the sign which is allotted before the bracket and which is inside the bracket. How we are going to multiply? When we are taking two positive number for multiplication, answer is positive. When we are taking two negative number for multiplication, again you will be getting same positive. Minus, multiply by minus, plus. When we are having two different sign for multiplication, it may be plus and minus or minus and plus multiplication. You will have the answer as negative. So with the help of this rule, we are going to remove the bracket first. Then as usual, normal rule, addition rule, we are going to follow. Now I am going to use the rule, multiplication rule. Now first question is minus 2. There is no sign before this bracket. So the same minus 2. And then I'm going to take these two minus. When we are multiplying minus into minus, we'll have plus 5. So we don't have any bracket now. After multiplication on signs, we can remove all the bracket. You don't need to write the bracket now. So this rule number 2. Rule number 2, different sign. Here negative 2, positive 5. Different sign, subtracted. Different sign, subtraction. You just ignore the signs. 5 and 2. Subtraction answer is 3. So my answer is 3. Here greater number is 5. Sign of 5 plus 5 is given. So answer is also plus 3. The same way, next example. Minus 10 plus 5. Okay. So the answer minus 10. There is no sign before. There is no bracket also. So first, to remove this bracket, we are going to multiply this minus and this plus. Before the bracket, what is the sign is given, and after the bracket, what sign is given. Both should be multiplied together. Plus into minus, minus 5. Now same sign. We don't have any bracket. Apply the normal rule. Same sign, add and put the same sign. So addition 15. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Same sign. The allotted sign is here negative. So negative 15. The next question is find the value of 8 minus 6 plus bracket minus 2 minus bracket minus 3 plus 1. So we are having now more than 2 integers. How we are going to handle? So anyway, wherever you are seeing the bracket, it should be removed with the help of multiplication on signs. So we know the multiplication sign. So here there is no bracket. As it is, we can write 8. Here also there is no bracket. Minus 6. Here we are having bracket. Before the bracket one sign, after the bracket one sign. Plus into minus. We'll be having minus. Then 2. Here is also we are having brackets. Before the bracket minus sign and after the bracket is also minus sign. So minus into minus plus 3. And the next number is plus 1. There is no bracket. The same integer should be written. Here if there are only 2 integers, we can apply the rule directly, we can write the answer. But here there are 3, 4, 5 integers. So there is another easy way. I am going to collect positive integers and negative integers separately. Just to collect positive integers and negative integers separately. So if there is no sign for any number, it is always called positive integer. So that 8 is positive integer, write down plus. And minus 6, so it is negative integer. I am going to give minus 6 is here. And next one is also negative integer, minus 2. And next one is positive integer, plus 3. And next one is positive integer. Okay, I have divided into 2 groups. First group positive integers, second group negative integer. Now we know the rule. Same sign, add and put same sign. So here is also I am going to do addition. Same sign, add and put same sign. And this side also same sign of integers. Just leave the integer sign. Ignore the sign. Add the integers and put same sign. So here is also addition. So that same sign, add and put the same sign. 6 plus 2, 8. Same sign is minus. And here the next side. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Same sign, add and put same sign. We had too many numbers for calculation. So I have converted everything into 2. One is positive integer and another one is negative integer. Again, finally we got plus 12 minus 8. Instead of writing so many integers, now I am having only 2 integers. What is the rule we have to apply? Check same type of integers or different type of integers. One is positive, another one is negative. Different type of integers we are having. So different type, we have to go for the subtraction again. So 12, ignore the sign. 12 and 8. Subtraction answer is 4. So that the answer is 4 plus 4. So wherever we are writing positive integers, you no need to mention the sign here. So it is nothing but 4. So when we are handling too many numbers, we can remove the bracket with the help of the multiplication rule. Multiply the signs and remove the bracket. Once you multiply 2 signs, we can remove the bracket. And the next step, collect all the positive numbers, negative numbers separately and use the concept same sign, add and put same sign, same sign, add and put same sign. And then finally we got two integers, only two integers with a different sign. They are not same sign, with a different sign. So subtract and put greater number sign. So we have subtract, just ignore the sign, subtract these two number and get the answer. So this is one of the easiest way and very important question also on this topic, integers. Now we know how to handle two integers for addition or more than two integers.